Welcome to English for All with Khadija USA, learning step by step at your own pace.
Welcome to Read Along Time with Khadija USA. We will be reading The Road Not Taken, Two Roads Diverged in a Yellow Wood. And sorry I could not travel both, and be one traveler, long I stood, and looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then took the other as just as fair, and having perhaps the better claim, because it was grassy and wanted wear. Though as for that the passing there had worn them really about the same, and both that morning equally lay, in leaves no step had trodden black. Oh, I kept the first for another day. Yet knowing how way leads on to way, I doubted if I should ever come back. I shall be telling this with a sigh somewhere ages and ages hence. Two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by. And that has made all the difference. Robert Frost.
Robert Frost is one of the most popular poets. Now we will analysis the text of Robert Frost's poem.
Have you ever stood at a crossroads, agonizing over which path to take, knowing that each choice could forever alter the trajectory of your life? Today, we explore The Road Not Taken by Robert Frost, a poem that delves deep into the essence of life's choices and their profound impact. In the first stanza, Frost introduces us to a traveler at a critical juncture in a yellow wood. This traveler, faced with two diverging roads, must make a choice. The yellow wood symbolizes a period of change, akin to the autumn of one's life. As the traveler peers down one path as far as possible, it signifies human curiosity and our desire to predict the outcome of our choices before we make them. Moving to the second stanza, the traveler chooses the road less traveled by, which appears grassy and less worn. This choice reflects the allure of the unconventional, the path that promises originality and perhaps adventure. However, Frost notes a crucial observation. Both paths were actually worn about the same. This reveals the poem's central irony, that our choices might seem unique and significant to us, even if they are not as distinctive as we perceive. In the third stanza, the roads are described as having been covered in untrodden leaves. The traveler saves the first road for another day, though with a hint of resignation, acknowledging the unlikely possibility of ever returning. This moment captures the essence of decision-making. Each choice inevitably leads to another, making it improbable to retrace our steps or explore every alternate route. The final stanza projects us into the future. Here, the traveler imagines recounting this choice with a sigh in ages to come. This sigh could be one of regret or contentment, left deliberately ambiguous by Frost. The choice of the less traveled road has made all the difference, implying that our decisions do indeed shape our identity and destiny, though the nature of that difference remains a personal reflection. In conclusion, The Road Not Taken is a poignant meditation on the nature of choice and free will. Frost captures the uncertainty and inevitability of our decisions, suggesting that while we may ponder and predict, the true impact of our choices unfolds only through living them. Each path we take contributes uniquely to our life's narrative, painting a picture that is ours alone to interpret. This exploration invites us to reflect on our own life choices, the roads we've traveled, and those we have yet to explore. The journey, with all its twists and turns, continues to shape who we are in ways we may only understand somewhere ages and ages hence.
Thank you for watching this video. See you again. Please don't forget to tick subscribe, like, and hit the golden bell for more videos. See you in the next video.